We've got big breaking news coming in on the Delhi CM decision. BJP's picked two observers, Ravi Shankar Prasad, BJP MP, and BJP leader, former Cabinet Minister O.P. Dhankar, have been made the observers. This is in the parliamentary party meet that the two observers have been picked. The next move will be that the observers will meet with the newly elected MLAs of the national capital at 7 p.m. And it is in that meeting that a formal decision will be made and communicated as to who is the next Chief Minister of Delhi. So Ravi Shankar Prasad, O.P. Dhankar have been named as the observers in the parliamentary party meet of the BJP High Command. These two observers will essentially oversee the appointment of the new Chief Minister. They will be a part of the meeting that will take place at 7 p.m. at the Delhi BJP office of all the newly elected MLAs coming together. A legislative party leader will be chosen who effectively will then be the Chief Minister of Delhi. So all formalities being ironed out ahead of the grand swearing-in ceremony which is set to take place at 12 noon tomorrow. The two observers are Ravi Shankar Prasad and Om Prakash Dhankar. Piyush Mishra is joining us with more details on this. So Piyush, Ravi Shankar Prasad and O.P. Dhankar have been chosen. Next step, of course, is that they're going to be coming to where you are at the Delhi BJP office to meet with the newly elected MLAs.
Well, as we are talking, in few minutes from now, we will see these observers to also reach here at Delhi BJP headquarters. Remember that Ravi Shankar Prasad and O.P. Dhankar have now been appointed as observers, and this has happened after the BJP's parliamentary board meeting which took place at PM Narendra Modi's residence. A meeting took place after the cabinet meeting, and after the parliamentary board meeting, the names of observers have also been finalized. Now these observers are going to talk to all MLAs. They are going to seek their suggestions, they are going to seek their views, and then by 8 p.m. Or before that, we can expect a decision to be taken by the party's top leadership as to who is going to be the next Chief Minister of Delhi. Remember that Ravi Shankar Prasad comes from Purvanchal belt. O.P. Dhankar is a Jat face of BJP. So it is also somewhere indicating that the cabinet could also be from the cabinet formation could also give a lot of space to people to BJP MLAs elect who come from Purvanchal belt or from the Jat belt. Also, let us tell to our viewers that there are around 25 to 30 seats, and Purvanchalis have also voted for BJP in large numbers. And if you talk about the Jat belt, all 10 seats of Jat belt in Delhi have been won by Bharatiya Janata Party. So it's a big message also we can see as to how the BJP is now moving ahead as far as the government formation process is concerned. So one step is done. After the observers reach here, they will talk to all MLAs, and right behind me is the very location where the meeting will take place. All MLAs will reach here at around 6 p.m. That's the official time which has been given to them.
It's fully decked up, as I can see behind you, Piyush. 6 p.m. is when you'll have all the MLAs coming together. The two observers headed there as we speak. Thanks, Piyush, for those details. Very interesting insights from Piyush on why Ravi Shankar Prasad and O.P. Dhankar have been chosen. Do we read into that as a hint about who could be the next Delhi Chief Minister? Well, we'll know in a few hours from now.